Hi everyone, myself Satya, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So today also we are going to have random process problems. Already we done stationary process, right? So next we are going to see WSS process. Before that we should know basic formulas and trigonometry. So E of A is A and variance of A is 0. So cos of A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If it is cos, you can have the same set of functions, cos cos, sin sin. Okay, then I have to change the sign, plus as minus, minus as plus. Okay, and for sine we can have the different functions, sine cos, cos sine. Okay, so we'll have cos A cos B formula, so which is 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. In the similar way we can write the remaining 4 cases formula. Now we will move on to the problem. Show that the random process x of t equal to a cos omega t plus theta by a and omega are constants and theta is uniformly distributed in the interval minus pi comma pi. That is what we need to prove. That is they are given x of t and ought to look at which is the variable, okay, and what are the constants, and ought to prove it is WSS process. Okay, the first thing is ought to take x of t as a into cos of omega t plus theta, and the second thing is what are the conditions ought to prove for WSS? Yes, there are two conditions. The first condition is a of x of t is constant, and the second one is r double x of tau, which is autocorrelation condition. Already we know how to find mean value. Already we saw in the last case, right? But here we'll have few difference because here variable is theta. So theta is uniformly distributed in the interval minus pi to pi. That means we can write f of theta as 1 by b minus a and just replace a as minus pi, b as pi. So from that we are getting f of theta as 1 by 2 pi. Then we are going to find mean value. So e of x of t equal to integral x of t into f of theta d theta. So x of t is a into cos of omega t plus theta and f of theta is 1 by 2 pi d theta, and replace the interval minus pi to pi. Okay, now take a by 2 pi outside. Integration of cos is sine. So sine of omega t plus theta, limit from minus pi to pi, and replace theta as pi. So we get the form, the term like sine of pi plus omega t minus sine of minus pi plus omega t. So 180 plus theta, which is minus sine theta. So minus sine theta is what? Omega t. Okay, and second case you can take one minus inside the bracket. So get sine of minus. Sine of minus is minus sine. Already one minus in the middle. So minus into minus is plus. So sine of pi minus omega t, that is what? The second term. So which is nothing but 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is what? Sine theta. So sine omega t. That will be cancelled. Finally we are getting the answer as 0. So which is the constant. So the first thing is over. The second thing is you have to find the autocorrelation. Okay. So the autocorrelation is e of x of t into x of t plus tau. Just replace x of t, the given process. Okay, and x of t plus tau is just replace t as t plus tau in the first bracket. Okay, you get a, you can take outside because a is constant, and cos omega t plus theta, cos omega t plus omega tau plus theta. Just you multiply the omega inside the bracket. Okay, then which is of the form cos A cos B. So cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, and you just find cos of omega t plus omega t is 2 omega t plus omega tau plus 2 theta. Plus in the second case all the terms are cancelled except minus omega tau. That's why we are having that term here. Okay, just expand this expectation of the first term, expectation of the second term. Why we leave that minus? Because cos of minus theta is cos theta, right? And next we just bring this a square by 2 inside the bracket. So a square by 2 cos omega tau. Expectation of any constant is constant. That's why we left that e. Okay, because theta is the variable. In second term we don't have any theta. That's why we are making the term as it is. Okay, plus a square by 2 into expectation of the second. Actually it is first term. Okay, now mark this one as equation number 1 and just find that is separately. You can use the concept integral x is nothing but cos and f of theta is 1 by 2 pi d theta. Take 1 by theta out, 1 by 2 pi outside. Integration with respect to theta, integration of cos sine. Then you can mention all the terms as it is and divide theta coefficient, it is 2, and limit from minus pi to pi. Okay, and upper limit is pi, you just replace theta as pi. So get 2 pi plus 2 omega t plus omega tau, and minus sine of again theta is minus pi. just write the terms as it is. Okay, from the second term, take minus outside. Sign of minus is minus sign, minus minus is plus. So finally you get like this. Okay, so which is of the 2 pi plus theta means which is 360 plus theta. The answer is sin theta for first case. For second case, 360 minus theta, which is minus sin theta. Theta is the remaining terms. Okay, if anything is common, you can take outside. You can see in the second term you just took minus outside, right? So finally we are getting the answer as 0. Just omit that second term. The answer is a square by 2 cos omega t. So this is the function of tau. So from this we can say x of t is WSS process. Okay, thank you.